Bonjour my gourmet friend. Welcome to my kitchen. I am Gérard, the French chef, and today I'm going to show you my famous pepper steak flambé au cognac and wrapped in a crepe. This recipe was so popular in my restaurant in Paris that I introduced it to my restaurant in Australia, and it became an immediate success. You will see why. Watch until the end. And I'm going to show you how to do it and give you all my secret. And remember, thumbs up if you like it too, and subscribe to support my channel, and press the bell, you won't miss my next specialty. Let's do some work. Remember to remove the meat from the fridge 1 hour before cooking, but cover it for the flies. Same thing with your pancake, remove the shell. Also, have your butter at the room temperature, nice and soft for the pepper sauce. Prepare the side dish, start to warm up the gratin, and set to cook your beans and your broccoli for the decoration. For the complete recipe of my potato gratin, click on the link on your top right corner. Now, for the sauce, you will need a brandy or cognac. You will need a little bit of beef stock, some green peppercorn, and also cream. Of course, pancakes. For the sauce, add a pan on high heat up to 180 degrees. Then add the salt and the meat on both sides. When your pan is very hot, add the olive oil. Now you can cook your steak carefully. After a few minutes, you can turn around and cook the other side. Like that, you cook the meat evenly. And now you can also cook on the side. Like that, when you cook on the side, the nice juice of the meat stay inside. Now cook the way you like, or rare, medium rare, well done, depending on your choice. When cooked, remove the steak and rest a couple of minutes in a lukewarm place. With a foil, the meat will rest and will be very tender. Put the gas to the high under the pan, and you start to deglaze with the cognac. And you can flame, but just beware of the flame. During the deglazing, the alcohol dilute the caramelized bit of meat from the drippings, and that adds some flavor to the sauce. Now you can add your stock, and you can add your cream, and then the green peppercorn. And now you reduce for 5 minutes. Cook until the sauce thickens naturally and become lightly golden brown. It should reduce by 50%. You notice that after 2 minutes and on high, the sauce will reduce rapidly. Add the juice of the resting meat to add extra flavor to your sauce. Keep reducing until you reach the right consistency. At the end, add the butter in small cubes at a room temperature and swirl the pan until well thickened and melted. Your delicious sauce is now ready. When your sauce is ready, you dip the crepe in it. Now you place a steak on the middle of the crepe. Then you fold the crepe and roll the steak in a pepper sauce. The crepe has absorbed the delicious pepper sauce and will melt in your mouth. Now you can dish up. And then you can pour the sauce over the meat and serve immediately with your vegetable on the side. That's the way we were serving our super delicious green pepper steak flambé with cognac and wrapped in a crepe. Gourmet friend, I hope you enjoyed this video on my pepper steak. I hope you will try my recipe because it's super delicious, believe me. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.
And remember, thumbs up if you like it too, and subscribe to support my channel and press the bell, you won't miss my next specialty.